So I'm going to build a roof with a kind of gable end at that end because I want to be able to look out at the view. So I'm thinking if I put the centre pole about here, put the side pole maybe over that little branch there, put another side pole down this side. So I've got essentially a bit of a house shape with a ridging on it as well. What do I need? Bamboo. There, in abundance. It's all clicking into place. Perfect. Little ridge pole. I've come to a jungle that at times is utterly miserable, and therefore I'm determined that I'm not going to let that dictate my mood for the entire trip. Da-da-da-da-da. 3 main poles in. You can see at the back it's wide enough to be able to walk down the middle, have a bed area on one side and have a kitchen area on the other side. The wind has just picked up and that is the sound of thunder as well. Don't need to be so creative. I do need to make sure that by the end of the day, at the very least, I've got a roof. Okay, first set of banana leaves. The good thing is they're big, but I'm just thinking, in a high wind, they're just going to get ripped off. It'll do for night 1. I know that I'm going to have to put more leaves on top as the days go by. It's a very basic layer. However, got myself a roof, haven't I? Look at that. There's a few little gaps, but as I said, over the days I can just keep adding leaves and it will get more and more waterproof. A bit like an old house when it rains. See where you have to put a bucket and keep patching it. Probably 20 minutes before last light and there's a roof over my head. Time to move into my new shelter. I haven't got time to light a fire this evening, but there's a few leaves still down there and some splinters of bamboo. For tonight, the last bits of daylight I've got, I'm just going to construct myself just a little platform. I'm going to make a proper bed in here so that I'm not on the damp floor tonight, because then if I'm insulated from the floor and I've got a roof above my head, I'm going to be a lot more comfortable, even without a fire, a lot more comfortable than I was last night.